What will you do if your Google account gets hacked today? Think about it. Did you know the passwords we use are actually technology from the 1960s? It means we are standing in 2026, but fighting with 1960s security. Isn't that strange? You are guarding your most important life data with something made almost 60 years ago. Hackers have found thousands of ways to steal these passwords over the last few decades. I am being honest, no matter how long your password is, it is never 100% safe. The problem is not you. The problem is the whole password system is broken. When you log in somewhere with a password, that password travels through the internet to that company's server. Whether it is Google or Facebook, they keep your password with them. Now, if Google's server ever gets hacked, your password will also be in danger. This is why billions of passwords are sold on the dark web every year. But Google has now brought a system where no password is needed. They call it a Passkey. It works in a way where your real login info is never sent to the server. Now I will show you how to set this up correctly. Open any browser on your computer. I am using Google Chrome here. Click on the address bar at the very top. Now type myaccount.google.com and press the enter button on your keyboard. If you are already logged in, you will go straight to your account dashboard. Give the page a moment to load. All your personal settings are in one place here. You can now see many options on the left side of the screen. Click on the fourth option, which is the security button. All your account security matters are controlled from this section. Wait a moment here because Google is now checking all your security. You can see many boxes in the middle. We will go down from here to find the setting we need. Remember, there are many small options here, so do not make a mistake. Now scroll down slowly with your mouse. Stop when you see the section called How You Sign In to Google. Here you can see your current password and if two-step verification is on. Just below this, you will see a new option called Passkeys and Security Keys. This option is the main topic of today's video. Click on this text once with your mouse. Google will now want to know if you really want to create a passkey. On the next screen, Google will ask you to type your current password. They are doing this to make sure you are the real owner of this account. Type your password in the box and click the next button below. After giving the password, the main window for setting up the passkey will appear. Here you will see a button that says Create a Passkey. Click on this big blue button with your mouse. This is the first step. A passkey is not a word or text like a password. It is a pair of mathematical keys. One stays with Google and the other stays inside the hardware chip of your device. Even if a hacker knows your email, it is very hard for them to get the key from inside this device because this key is never sent through the internet. It stays protected only inside your computer or mobile. So your account stays safe even during phishing attacks or data breaches. Now you will see Windows Hello or your computer security prompt on your screen. Click the continue button here. Google is asking for permission to use your device's biometrics or PIN. When I press this button, a message comes from my PC. If you use a laptop, the option to scan your fingerprint might appear here. This is not a Google password. It is your own computer's password or PIN. Type the PIN number you use to log into your computer here. I am typing my secret PIN. If your PC has a fingerprint reader, just touch your finger there. See, a confirmation has appeared on the screen that your passkey was created successfully. Click the Done button below to finish. From now on, you never have to type a password in this browser again. Just use your PIN or fingerprint and you can use all Google services. Let's do a live test right now. Does it really work or is it just a story? Log out of your account now. After signing out, you will see you are back on the login page. Now type your email address and click the next button. Notice that Google is not asking for a password now. Instead, the screen says, use your passkey to confirm it is really you. Now click the Continue button below. The box to enter your Windows PIN will appear again. I am typing my PIN again. See, I logged in immediately. I did not have to type any password. No hacker could record my typing with a keylogger. It feels good to think that I don't have to remember long passwords anymore. If you want to do this on your Android phone, the method is exactly the same. Just go to Google account from settings and you will find this passkey option. Just use your phone's screen lock there and it will work. Many people ask me what happens if my laptop or phone gets stolen. The answer is very simple. If a thief takes your device, he cannot open your account because he does not have your PIN or fingerprint. And if he enters the wrong PIN 3 times, the device will lock itself. He cannot copy the key from your hardware chip because it is very hard to copy. You can log into your Google account from any other device and cancel that hardware key with one click. Then that laptop can no longer be used to enter your account. I am telling you the 100% truth. I felt a kind of peace after turning on passkeys for all my accounts. We are standing in 2026. And our risk of being hacked is increasing every day. Using passkeys will increase your login speed and your peace of mind because no one can hack your account. I am using passkeys for all my important accounts now. It takes only 2 minutes to set up, but it can protect your life's hard work and data. If you do not turn on passkeys, even after watching today's video, you are taking a risk on purpose. If this small tutorial helps you, please give it a like. And if you have any trouble setting it up, tell me in the comments below. I will try to answer all your questions. I regularly talk about security and AI tools on the SaaS Beast Pro channel. So do not forget to subscribe and stay with us. See you in the next video. Stay well.